Have you ever seen an SUV dive straight into a lake and just float? No sinking, no stalling. This isn't CGI. This is the real capability of the BYD Yangwang U8, and it happens in just the first few seconds. This is the Yangwang U8, priced around $150,000. It features 4 independent electric motors delivering a total of 1,180 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds. But the wildest part? It could drive through water. In the footage, the U8 is already halfway into the water. While most vehicles would stall, flood, or sink, this one stays afloat, thanks to its emergency floating mode. The vehicle lifts gently above the surface, showing 0 signs of stress or imbalance. It's not a party trick, it's a real-world survival feature. This is where the magic happens. The U8 glides across the surface, with each wheel spinning independently, controlled by a smart torque vectoring system. There are no propellers, no external add-ons, just the EV's core drive system doing all the work. The car stays balanced, calm, and in full control as the driver lightly turns the wheel and the direction adjusts seamlessly. Even its electronics and battery system are waterproof to IP68 standards, ensuring no short circuits, no failures, just smooth sailing. From above, the drone captures the U8 cutting through the water, like a floating tank or mechanical sea creature. Ripples fan out behind it, and the body glistens under sunlight, sleek, composed, and futuristic. This isn't just performance. It's BYD showing off what top-tier Chinese EV engineering can do in extreme conditions. As the car nears the shore, the tires grip onto the ground again. Power transitions automatically back to land mode. In just a few seconds, the U8 rolls back onto solid ground. No jerking, no hesitation. A perfect return from water to land. You might not need this feature every day, but in a flood, a rescue mission, or a wild off-road escape, this might be the one car that keeps you safe. The Yangwang U8 isn't just an SUV, it's redefining what flagship off-roaders can do. So what do you think? Is this overkill or the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments.